Previously in Chapter 8.
Your loyalty may have won the day, Lancelot, but the price may be higher than you think.
I will not allow personal matters to cloud our duty.
Loyalty over love. How does it sit with your heart?
It sits as it must, Morgana. Duty calls, and we must answer.
Whatever conflicts may arise, we must face them as one.
I cannot trust a knight whose heart is torn between love and duty.
I will prove my loyalty on the battlefield, where it matters most.
The unity of the Knights of Avalon was tested, and the kingdom stood on the brink of a conflict that could shatter the very foundation of Arthur's realm.
A chilling wind swept through Camelot as rumors of the cursed prophecy reached the kingdom. The air was thick with an impending sense of doom, and the Knights of Avalon found themselves drawn into a web of mystic predictions that threatened to unravel the very fabric of their destiny. One misty morning, Merlin gathered the knights in the castle's ancient chamber.
A prophecy haunts the realms of Avalon. It foretells of a great darkness that will descend upon Camelot, tearing apart the unity of the Round Table.
Sir Galahad, with his eyes filled with concern, questioned the wizard.
What does the prophecy say, Merlin? And how can we avert this looming catastrophe?
Merlin's gaze bore the weight of centuries.
The words are cryptic, but they speak of a betrayal from within. A knight, once true, will succumb to shadows, endangering the very heart of Camelot.
The knights exchanged weary glances, their trust in one another now tainted by the spectre of the prophecy. Lancelot, forever vigilant, spoke with a hint of suspicion.
Who among us is the traitor foretold in this prophecy?
Merlin's response was solemn.
The future is not set in stone, but every action we take shapes it. Beware the choices you make, for they may echo through the ages.
As the day unfolds, the knights could not shake the weight of the prophecy. In the training yard, tensions ran high as mistrust festered. Sir Gawain, his patience wearing thin, confronts Lancelot once more.
If there's a traitor among us, it must be exposed before the prophecy unfolds.
Lancelot, his loyalty question, squared his shoulders.
I am no traitor, Gawain. I will stand by Arthur until my last breath.
In the shadows, Lady Morgana observed the growing discourse with her sly smile. Her voice carried a whisper of deceit.
Prophecies are often self-fulfilling, my dears. The more you fear them, the more likely they are to come true.
The curse of a dark prophecy hung over Camelot, casting doubt upon the once unbreakable bond of the Knights of Avalon. As mistrust and suspicion seeped into the realm, the fate of Camelot teetered on the edge of uncertainty, with shadows of betrayal threatening to consume them all.
This concludes Chapter 9 of the Knights of Avalon, featuring actress Samantha Swanborough as our guest storyteller. Kindly drop a review for Chapter 9 below and let us know. Don't forget to listen to the rest of the episodes.